Now, once it vibrates, it means it's in motion. So, the heat energy is a type of kinetic energy. So, let's summarize. Energy is the ability to do work, and it's divided into two main types: the potential energy and the kinetic energy. The potential energy is the energy stored in an object. Energy stored in an object. Stored in an object if it's a stable situation. While the kinetic energy is the energy of motion. The energy of motion. And as the object moves faster, it will gain more kinetic energy. The potential energy has three types: chemical energy, gravitational energy, and elastic energy. The chemical energy could be found in the battery, fuel, and food. The gravitational energy, of course, from its name, as we said, comes from the gravity, and the elastic energy that could be found in the compressed spring. While the kinetic energy has four types: light, sound, electric energy, and thermal or heat energy. Could the energy transform from one form to another? Yani, for example, I am sitting now, I have potential energy. Once I move or talk, my potential energy will change into kinetic energy. Yes, so the energy could be changed from one form to another. For example, what type of energy does an acrobat means clown, possess when jumping off the platform? Jumping, but there is a motion, but before the transformation to find the motion, it poses or it has potential energy. If he's standing, doing nothing, of course it has potential energy stored in its body. Then once it jumps, the potential energy will change into kinetic energy. Do we have another examples to prove that the energy could be changed from one form to another? Of course, for example, the light lamp. The light lamp uses the electric energy as an input energy. Input means used energy. The electric energy is used in the light lamp. Once you turn on the light, the electric energy will change into light energy. So there is an energy transformation. Do we have another example? Yes, while playing on the drums. Once you hit the drums, you have a kinetic energy. The kinetic energy will change into sound energy that you hear. For example, another example, the flashlight. There's a difference between the light lamp and the flashlight. The light lamp uses the electric energy as an input, while the flashlight uses the chemical energy, because the source of energy in the flashlight is the battery. And as we said before, BFF, battery, fuel, food, stores chemical energy. So the flashlight will change the chemical energy into light energy. طيب, if you start to approach your hands to the light lamp, you will feel hot. It means there is a thermal energy. So, do we need the thermal energy to see? No, the main function of the light lamp is lightning to see. So, the source or the needed energy here is the light energy. While the thermal energy you could feel while approaching your hands to the light lamp is wasted energy. Wasted energy means no need for it. It won't help the device to do its function. Okay? Another example, using the phone. The phone has batteries as a source of energy. And as we said, the battery stores chemical energy. The chemical energy will be changed once you start to use the phone into light, thermal, and sound. Do we need the thermal energy? Of course not. So it's a wasted energy. Most of the devices produce thermal energy as a wasted energy. Again, wasted energy is not needed energy so the device could do its function. Okay? Do we have another examples? A lot of examples. For example, yourself. You eat the food, you need food to get energy, and the food stores chemical energy. Battery, fuel, food, chemical energy. So now your body stores chemical energy. Once you start to move or read or whatever, the chemical energy will change into kinetic energy. A lot of examples around us, and without the energy, no work will be done. Let's see if you understood the lesson or not. Underline the correct answer. Number 1, the energy gained by the ball when it falls from a height. From a height. Now you have keywords that help you to solve it. Falls, falls, so there is a motion here. From a highest energy level. Remember, he said falls. Once we found falls, something that expressed the motion, we need to search for a specific word. So let's see it, if it's here or not. Number 1, position. B, chemical. C, kinetic. And the last one, optical. So, what is the energy will be produced when an object falls? When the ball falls down, it will have a kinetic energy. Number 2, the effect of gravity on moving objects. Here, the key word is gravity. Gravity, as we said, we have a type of energy that depends mainly or affected by the gravity. From its name, what will be the answer? Think. It's a type of potential energy affected by the gravity. The answer will be gravitational energy.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.